Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Just going to give you a quick walk around of this short wheelbase Transit Custom Leader we currently have available here at the Ford Transit Centre, Pye Motors in Morecambe. Despite being the leader, this Transit Custom has great road presence with the fantastic new Ford Transit Custom grille and headlight design. 16-inch steel wheels and big tyres make this vehicle really a go-anywhere van. Inside we find tons of storage space and LED load space lighting to illuminate the back of the van on even the darkest of days. The rear doors have a handy mechanism to allow them to open past 90 degrees, to allow you to fit even the widest items in your vehicle. Inside we have the ice pack, giving this vehicle an FM AM DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and your heater controls down here, and the engine is coupled with a 6-speed manual gearbox. To find out more about this vehicle or any other we have in stock here at the Transit Centre at Pye Motors Ford in Morecambe, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.